Your phone sends data through your router every single millisecond, and silently waiting inside that wireless signal is an exploit vector capable of hijacking every WhatsApp byte you transmit. The second a foreign payload hits your network interface, traditional gateway defenses collapse through an attack mechanism known as ARP Cache Poisoning. Before we break open the exact sequence attackers use to map out your communications, hit the like button, subscribe to Hakk Masters, and turn on notifications so you never miss these deep security breakdowns. Quick question, how many devices are connected to your home Wi-Fi network right this second? Type the number below. Before going any further, a strict disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only, and we do not advise anyone to use this information to infiltrate someone's privacy or conduct unauthorized operations. If you need assistance, you can find the link to contact world-class ethical hackers and resources in the comments below. The attack sequence starts by taking advantage of the Address Resolution Protocol, which maps IP addresses to physical MAC addresses on local subnets. When an attacker broadcasts crafted ARP responses across the local link layer, your smartphone gets fooled into recognizing the target machine as the primary default gateway. At the exact same moment, the router gets spoofed into believing the hacker's device is actually your smartphone. This bidirectional redirection forces all outgoing signal streams to funnel directly through the interceptor's machine before routing out to the broader internet. To keep your network secure from these precise vectors, you can find the link to contact world-class ethical hackers, tools, and resources in the comments below. Once this middleman bridge locks into place, network monitoring tools capture raw packet structures in real time. Even though WhatsApp utilizes end-to-end signal protocol encryption to encode the text payload itself, unencrypted metadata remains exposed at the transport layer. An attacker watching the captured stream can easily extract connection timestamps, destination IP addresses, precise packet burst sizes, and traffic frequency patterns to determine if you are sending media, receiving audio files, or placing a direct call. By pairing targeted ARP poison injections with custom DNS spoofing, sophisticated operators assemble a complete profile of your activity without needing to crack a single encryption key. Share this video with anyone on your Wi-Fi network right now to help them lock down their security settings. Drop a comment with your thoughts on metadata vulnerability, and subscribe to Hakk Masters for more tactical security insights.